Good girl. Audrey. Ah, rah, rah.
You're just moving and shaking, huh?
Oh, icky sandals.
You want me to work until 6?
I guess so. I haven't talked to her. Audrey.
You love that cord, huh, Mama?
Woo!
Watch out.
Oh, you look super cute.
Oh, my ankle's cute.
Hope you're not too warm.
Every time I look in your eyes. Dude, that thing was going off last night. And I was like, alright. It's like every 15 minutes it would be like, you know, howdy doody. And I'm in here going, I didn't know how to turn it off. Finally, I found it. I was like, and if I have to listen to this all night.
Tell David what his niece did on the floor.
She, didn't, yeah. Oh.
Hey, who's that?
Who's crawling?
Taro. Place him right now in the bedroom. In the bedroom.
That was unnecessary, huh? Which one's drowning?
He's protecting her. Give Mom some love. That's recording.
Oh, it's a video.
Yeah.
Do this one for.
Yeah, we got the full dog thing. Audrey. Give Mom love. I don't know how to take it. It's still recording.
You see?